equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin with, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a clean cloth for any dust removal. Start by unplugging the vacuum cleaner from the power source to ensure safety during the process. Next, remove the dust container and filter. This will give you better access to the motor compartment. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the casing, being careful not to damage any clips. Once the casing is off, you should see the motor clearly. Now, take a moment to inspect the motor for any visible damage or wear. If you notice any issues, it's a good idea to replace the motor. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. To remove the motor, locate the screws securing it in place. Typically, there are 4 screws that need to be unscrewed using your Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them to secure the new motor later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the motor out of its housing. Be cautious of any wires connected to the motor. You may need to use your pliers to disconnect them. Take note of how the wires are connected, as you will need to replicate this when installing the new motor. Before installing the new motor, it's essential to clean the internal compartment. Use your clean cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help ensure optimal performance of your new motor. Now, take your new motor and connect the wires as per your earlier observations. Make sure they are securely attached to avoid any electrical issues. Once connected, carefully place the motor back into its housing. Reattach the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened securely. This will help prevent any vibrations or movement during operation. If you're unsure about the tightness, a good rule of thumb is to tighten until snug but avoid over-tightening, which can strip the screws. After securing the motor, replace the casing of the vacuum cleaner. Ensure all clips are properly aligned and snap them back into place. Finally, reinsert the dust container and filter. Before you plug the vacuum back in, take a moment to double-check that everything is in place and secure. If you'd like a professional diagnosis without obligation, feel free to reach out to us. Once you're confident everything is set, plug the vacuum cleaner back in and test it out. If it runs smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully changed the motor on your CONGA 5796. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. Enjoy your clean home. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.